Friction. Activity. Friction ramp. Objective. To show that force of friction depends upon the nature of two surfaces in contact. Theory. Friction is a force that opposes motion between any surfaces that are touching. Friction occurs because no surface is perfectly smooth. Even surfaces that look smooth to the unaided eye may look rough or bumpy when viewed under a microscope. The resistance offered by friction depends directly on the roughness of the surfaces. The smoother the surfaces, the less the resistance. The rougher the surfaces, the more the resistance. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to 1. Understand the nature of friction. 2. Explain the factors affecting friction. Did you know? Static and kinetic friction is both present in our joints. The body uses various methods to decrease friction in joints, including synovial fluid, which serves as a lubricant to decrease the friction coefficient between bone surfaces and synovial joints, the majority of joints in the body. Racing cyclists crouch down low on their bikes to reduce the air resistance on them. This helps them to cycle faster. They also wear streamlined helmets. These have special, smooth shapes that allow the air to flow over the cyclist more easily. Materials required. 1. A wooden board, or a cardboard. 2. 3 bricks or 3 books. 3. A torch cell. 4. A cotton cloth. 5. Sand. Procedure. 1. Make an inclined plane by supporting the ends of the wooden board/cardboard with the bricks/books. Place the inclined plane at one end of the table. 2. Place the torch cell at one end of the wooden board and let it roll down the plane. Observe how far it goes on the table. Make a mark on the table where the cell stops. 3. Now, spread the piece of cloth over the table. There should not be any wrinkles on the cloth. 4. Repeat step 2 and mark a point on the table where the cell stops over the cloth. 5. Remove the cloth and spread sand over the table. Again repeat step 2 and check how far the cell goes on sand before coming to stop. Observation. On the table surface, the cell covers the longest distance as table surface is smooth and offers least resistance, least friction. On cloth and sand surfaces, the cell covers shorter distances as they are rough surfaces and offers more resistance, more friction. Conclusion. 1. Friction is caused by roughness of surfaces in contact. 2. Rough surfaces offer more friction than smooth surfaces. Sorting queries.
Mom, I have a doubt. Why friction increases when we put sand on the table?
Rough surfaces like sand have more microscopic hills and valleys than smooth surfaces. So, more interlocking of irregularities takes place, due to which friction gets increased.
Okay, Mom, thank you.
Mom, I also have a question. Is there any surface which offers zero friction?
No, we can't have zero friction surfaces. Even if we use lot of lubricants, we can only reduce friction to minimum extent but can never eliminate it, as every surface will still have minor irregularities in them. Find out more. Friction is reduced to increase the efficiency of a machine. Find out some methods used in various machines to reduce the friction. We hope you liked this activity. Happy learning!